I'm going to be showing you how to make digital planner in Canva to sell in Etsy. So the first thing you need to do is decide your planner type. So it is very important. You need to pick a niche first. So do you want to be a student planner, daily, weekly planner, budget planner, fitness planner, or Notion style productivity planner? So if you have a niche, it's easier to sell. So the first thing you need to do is open your Canva file. So just go to Canva and click Create Design or Start Designing. And select common sizes like A4 for print or US letter or iPad planner. So for digital planners, you need to use tablet-friendly size. And once you found it, you just need to design your pages. You just need to select essential pages like your cover page, monthly planner, and then weekly planner, then daily planner, then notes page. Duplicate pages to keep style consistent. You also need to keep it clean, not too busy. Use soft colors, add lines, boxes, and sections. You also need to add clickable tabs. It's very important for digital use. This makes your planner feel premium. You can add site tabs, select tab, click link, or link it to a page. Now it's interactive and it works in PDF apps. You also need to use elements carefully. Use Canva free elements or make sure pro elements are allowed for selling, and don't violate Canva license. And then you can just export your planner and download it, and you can create the delivery file. So you don't upload the planner directly. You just need to create a simple PDF and add an option like click here to download your planner and use the planner to upload it to Google Drive or Dropbox and paste link in PDF. So this is what buyers download. And then you can just upload it to Etsy. And that's how you make digital planner in Canva to sell in Etsy. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.